On the Amundsen sat-nav unit, it has, if you click into menu, you'll see two things that I'm going to tell you about here at the moment. Skoda Connect. If you go into Skoda Connect, it says unable to connect to the internet. Please check the LAN availability. So, okay. Media command. LAN unavailable. Into settings. Click on LAN. Now I've set a personal hotspot up on my phone. Just get it to identify my face first, and then, well, then into settings, personal hotspot. That's the one I've set up already. It's on, but if you click on mobile hotspot, I don't get it. So click on LAN. It's picked up my iPhone, Barry's iPhone 10. Click on that. I now have to enter the network key, the corresponding network key. And you see what I've done there? Nobody will ever guess that. So back, that's for capitals. You click on the shift, back to E, and then 4, capital V, R, and then a 5 instead of the S. So that's it. Click OK. It's connected. If we go back to menu now, go back to Skoda Connect. There you go. When operating the system, always concentrates on the road. Only passengers should read the text. Distractions cause accidents. Very true. And there you go. So you can now access, if you click on parking, for instance, click on parking, it shows you, it'll show you the nearest parking spaces, and then click on that, it sets your sat nav, click start.
The routes are being calculated.
And it'll
select a route.
It'll take you to the nearest or the parking space that you want. So
please follow that B6258 for 800 yards.
It's a really good system, very, very good. When you know where to park, you can, you're not supposed to do it, I suppose, when you're controlling the car, but if you pull over quickly, set the system, it will then take you to the nearest car park. So there you go, back into menu, Skoda Connect, petrol stations, same thing. Petrol stations, sort by distance, trying to find one. There's one just down the road. And these are the things, when you're in a strange town and there's traffic all over the place, you need to take, you need less stress and something to take the stress away. This system does it. Click start. Would you like to add this destination as a stopover or start route guidance directly to this destination? Well, if you're already on the way somewhere, then you add it as a stopover. So add a stopover, and then once you've completed your fill up, then you just carry on to your destination.
Please follow that B6258 for 800 yards.
It's a really, really good system. So menu, back into it, Skoda Connect, online destination, points of interest, news, even the weather. And that's all working through my phone, using my, obviously, my allowance, phone allowance. But I'm pretty sure you can get either a dongle or a card to put in the unit where it'll work without your phone.